if you are someone who has been battling dandruff, like you are having too much of dandruff on your scalp, it can be really irritating and stressful at times, because like maybe you are outside and you have to be scratching your scalp with your scalp. It can really be frustrating. So in case you have tried series of means to get rid of dandruff, so this video is for you. Ensure that you watch this video until the end. So this is the only thing you need to get rid of this dandruff is pawpaw seed. All right, go and buy pawpaw from all these fruit seller. If you don't have pawpaw around you, buy a pawpaw. Bring out the pawpaw seed. All right. Once you bring out the pawpaw seed, find a place to dry it. All right. Try and dry the pawpaw seed. Dry it until you can achieve powder from the seed. All right. Once it is dry, what you need to do, okay, is to blend the pawpaw seed. Once you blend the pawpaw seed, so now all you have to do is to be mixing it with your hair cream. Okay, be mixing the pawpaw seed powder. You remember that the pawpaw seed, you have to blend the pawpaw seed. Mix it with the powder that has been derived from the dried pawpaw seed. So you will now mix it. You can, if it is Damato you are using, no, if it is shea butter, any form of hair cream that you are using. So just mix the pawpaw seed powder, mix it with the cream, mix it thoroughly. So once you're done with that, what you are now going to be doing, you will part your hair. You don't need to let it touch your the tip of your hair. The place you are working on is your scalp. Okay, so be using your cotton comb to part your hair and be applying it on your scalp. All right, try and be doing this maybe 2 to 3 times in a week. The result is going to shock you. All right, so just give this a try, and I bet you that you will not even you will forget anything that has to do with dandruff. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Okay, you can also share with your village people. And please, if you're not yet following, ensure to click on the follow button and make sure that you put on your notification bell, so that next time we have valuable content like this, you will be the first person to get notification. Thank you so much for watching.